On the dark streets of Las Vegas lie some of the worst criminals of society. No ordinary man could face the evils that lie here. These are streets so dangerous, even the police refuse to go there. Lucky for this town, they have
The Gingerbread Man.
Run, fast you can. Can't catch me, I'm Gingerbread Man.